Europe, 1830. Previous to this time, science had made large advances. During the scientific revolution, scientists like Isaac Newton had advanced science and made major discoveries. Although these advances were useful, they were not practical to everyday life and society. In the 1830s, new advances in science made it much more useful to the public. One scientist that advanced society was Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur was a French chemist who was born on December 27, 1822. He worked hard trying to prevent the spread of diseases. This time, many people believed in the miasma theory, that diseases were caused by bad air. Louis Pasteur came up with the germ theory, the theory that malicious bacteria cause disease. Even without modern technology, he still found a way to kill microbes inside perishable food. He invented pasteurization, which is the process of heating up milk until the bacteria dies. Pasteur helped people by using his scientific discoveries. He also worked on finding vaccines for many diseases. This greatly impacted society. Another scientist was Dmitri Mendeleev. Dmitri Mendeleev was the inventor of the periodic table of elements. He also showed that there was a connection between the properties of an element and their atomic mass. The method of organization made it easier for other scientists to add new elements once they had been discovered. A basic knowledge of the elements allowed many people to gain a greater understanding of the world around them. Without Mendeleev, it would have been hard for technology to evolve. Another scientist was Michael Faraday. Michael Faraday was a British chemist and physicist. When he was young, he read every book he could. Faraday was fascinated with energy. As an adult, he discovered electromagnetic induction. The largest success Michael Faraday had was when he created the electric motor. This caused the inventions of transformers and generators. Because of his discoveries, electricity became a harnessed power, not just something interesting to study. Michael Faraday greatly advanced technology. As these discoveries were found, other changes were happening. The scientific method became accepted as the only method to obtain objective information. This began to make a larger push for secularization. This changed people's lives because religion played a smaller and smaller part in society. No scientist pushed secularization more than Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin was the first person to introduce the concept of evolution through natural selection. He once said, "It is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent. It is the one that is the most adaptable to change." He noticed that many animals were alike but had different characteristics based on where they lived. This led him to believe in evolution, that variation in a species and natural selection could eventually lead to new species. His most controversial idea is that man and all other animals are descended from one parent species. In conclusion, scientists like Louis Pasteur, Dmitri Mendeleev, Michael Faraday, and Charles Darwin advanced society and science forever.